Everyone wants money that works while they sleep. Passive income. Sounds sexy, right? You've seen the clips. I make $10,000 a month without lifting a finger. This side hustle runs on autopilot. Funny question, if it's so passive, why are they still selling courses instead of sleeping? Here's the uncomfortable truth no one likes to say out loud. Passive income is mostly a lie, and believing that lie could cost you your entire 20s. But before you click away, this video isn't here to crush your dreams. It's here to replace the fantasy with something far more powerful. Because by the end of this video, you'll understand how money actually works and why the people getting rich never use the word passive. Point 1. Passive income always starts as active income. Let's start with the part influencers skip. Every so-called passive income begins as extremely active. Rental properties? You manage tenants, repairs, legal issues. Dividends? You need serious capital first. YouTube automation? Scripts, editors, thumbnails, testing what works. Ask yourself this. If it were truly passive, why do beginners quit and only professionals win? Passive income isn't built. It's earned after years of effort. And that brings us to the next dangerous lie. Point 2. Set it and forget it is financial poison. Set it and forget it sounds peaceful. But in money, it's deadly. Markets change. Algorithms shift. Businesses decay. Anything you don't maintain eventually stops paying you. Money is like a pet. Ignore it long enough, and it dies. Wealth isn't about automation. It's about attention, which explains why most people chasing passive income never get rich. Point 3. Passive income creates laziness, not wealth. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Passive income marketing trains you to avoid effort. It sells the dream of skipping the grind. But wealth doesn't reward comfort. It rewards leverage. Think about it. When did anyone build a powerful life by doing less? The most dangerous mindset isn't poverty. It's entitlement without skill. And once you see how the wealthy really think, everything flips. Point 4. Wealthy people don't chase passive income. They chase control. Real wealth builders don't ask, how can I stop working? They ask, how can I control outcomes? Control over skills. Control over distribution. Control over systems. That's why they build businesses, acquire skills, create leverage. Funny enough, they end up earning passive income only after they stop caring about it, which leads to the most important distinction in this video. Point 5. There's no passive income, only deferred effort. Let me give you a better term. Deferred effort. You work insanely hard up front, so the rewards arrive later. That's how books earn royalties. And now, here's the part no guru wants you to hear. Final truth, the real path to passive money. If you're in your 20s, here's the truth that changes everything. Don't chase passive income. Chase high-value skills. Skills give you income. Income gives you capital. Capital gives you options. You don't need escape plans. You need foundations. Because freedom isn't built by doing nothing. It's built by doing the right things first. Passive income isn't fake because it doesn't exist. It's fake because it's sold in the wrong order. Build first. Relax later. If this video saved you from chasing fake passive income, hit like. It tells YouTube this message matters. Subscribe if you want real money skills, not internet fantasies. And comment one thing you're going to build before you try to relax. I read every comment. Let's build this the right way.